This is the next part. This is really cool. Allah has how many names at least? 99 names. Allah did not say Alhamdulillah Rahman, Alhamdulillah Rahim, Alhamdulillah Malik, Alhamdulillah Khaliq, Alhamdulillah Wahhab, Alhamdulillah Qahhar. All of those are correct. All of those are correct. None of them are wrong. How come Allah used Alhamdulillah and what? Allah. Fatiha is Allah introducing Himself. When you introduce yourself to someone, you use your description or your name? You use your name. If you don't know who I am, I don't walk up to you and say, Assalamu alaikum, I'm a teacher. What? Assalamu alaikum, I'm Nouman. And if I say, Assalamu alaikum, I'm a teacher, they'll say, Wa alaikum assalam, you're also strange. And walk away. What's the next phrase in the surah? Alhamdulillahi what? Rabbil alameen. Rabb. How many names did we say Allah has? At least 99. Allah chose one of them. His first description to us. Now that He's given you His name, which is Allah, here's the first thing you should know about Him, which is what? Rabbil Alameen. That's the first thing you need to know about Him. So we have to spend a little bit of time on this. The word Rabb is complicated. It has a lot of meanings. At the very base of it, they say in Arabic, Ar-Rabb huwa al-Malik, wal-Mun'im, wal-Murabbi, wal-Sayyid, wal-Qayyim. I'll make it in English for you, it's going to be easy. Rabb is someone who owns. Number one, the owner. It's the first meaning of Rabb, the owner. But if He's the owner, what does that make me? What does that make me? Property. Right? An owner has what? Property. It makes me property of Allah. That's the first meaning, al-Malik. The second is al-Murabbi. Murabbi means someone who ensures the growth. Someone who takes care of something so it can grow. That's called a Murabbi. Now the thing of the word Murabbi is it possible that you own something but you don't take care of it? Does that ever happen? Like you own a car but you don't do the oil change? Right? You own a computer but you never clean out the files or whatever. You download all kinds of dumb things and it gets a virus and all of that. You own but you don't take care of it. It's very possible. Like you have a backyard but you never garden in it. And it's all kinds of crazy things growing in the back. Or your kids have a room and they don't take care of it. Right? So you have ownership but you don't care. The word Rabb is someone who owns but also what? Cares. He takes care of it. He makes sure that it's cared for. That's Murabbi. Wal Mun'im. The third is you own something, you take care of it, and you give it gifts. What that means to you and me, I'll talk about in a second. Wal Qayyim, and the one who makes sure it stays together, it doesn't fall apart. Because if He stops taking care of it, it falls apart. And if Allah stops taking care of us for 1 second, for half a second, everything falls apart. The blood circulating in my hands, the heart beating from one beat to another, is because Allah is letting it. Allah is making it even. He stops taking care of it for 1 second, and it's gone. It's all gone. This is Qayyim. So what that word means is we're completely dependent on Allah, constantly.